Hi, my name's Damian and I live in London in the United Kingdom. We've been in the Ultramind workshop with Vishen and Christiana and it's been absolutely brilliant. I've actually done Silva method previously. I did an audio course on this about 10 years ago, and what I really found useful was I'd lost contact with what the tools are about and how powerful the tools are and how I can use those and integrate those not just into my meditation and problem solving, but really taking issues and problems that you experience in your life and turning them into projects that you then run through a sequence of mind mapping tools or mind tools that really help you to put things into perspective and to put things into a different perspective. And today we've been doing casework and readings, and that was how do we tap into our intuition and use that. Christina and Vishen have explained that really well. We had the opportunity to experience that. We went deep into meditation repeatedly throughout the day, which has been really nice. And then we got to work in different groups to do casework, which is where you read something about somebody and you can already use your intuition and get very accurate information about somebody that you're reading about.